Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster and this is by Hotwheels and this comes under their Roadster series. So let's just open and see how it looks. Here it is guys, here is a closer look of it. Here is the top view. So it has some engine detailing on it. This looks really nice actually. The rims also looks really cool. So the front headlights are actually painted. It's not like it doesn't have any fiber or glass kind of thing. It's fully painted. Here is the bottom view. Hope you guys can see the interior here. This white looks really beautiful along with the orange trim. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be better if you guys subscribe. That would help me to put more content like this. So please consider subscribing. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.